Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of Baili Among Mortals, chapter 205. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Sin Bui. Right now, she was on her home. Anyway, that's what I said. I said I didn't want to hide it. Don't care what my aunt thinks. Sissy, I am very willful. Maybe a little. Sissy said to her. Two of them still talking. Sin Bui, right now. Do you like a willful people? Sin Bui is asking Sissy whether she like it or not. Well, this girl, sometimes she was really tricky. But, moreover, Sissy said to her, no, I mean, well, what did she really mean? Is she really going to disagree with her? Well, seems not. But Sinbui, Sissy right now, I think Auntie may be worried about that. The others will say unpleasant things or malicious towards us. She is afraid that you will get hurt in the future. Senbui right now, I know, but compared to the other people's reactions, denying myself hurts me more. Senbui said to herself, well, definitely, she is the kind of bubbly people who doesn't want to hide from anyone. There's no doubt that if something cannot satisfy everyone, there will always be someone disappointed. Just want to not be disappointed. Sissy is trying to explain to her, well, this girl, she was really matured when she was thinking. Right now, Sinbui was listening to her carefully. Sissy is always good advising. Also, she was really behaved person. Bui was really lucky that she helped Sissy, right? On the other hand, Sinbui, Sissy, there are so many stars tonight. Will it be sunny tomorrow? Now, the topic comes from the weather. Well, she was really curious about everything. But the weather forecast says it will turn light rain in the afternoon. The sky will clear off. Actually, when the skies clear off, I'll get you to go to shopping with me and punish you. Oh, this is really tough for Sissy. What can Sinbuyi do to her? Now, back to Muxi. Two of them still on the hotel room. What will Xiaojing's gonna do right now? Since Muxi, she was really eager to punish her. Right now, Xiaojing, she was calling Muxi. Muxi, she was really serious about her. Although we can deny it that she's been the one who aggressive, but suddenly there's no curtains yet. Now, Muxi to continue to untie her with about, it's okay, it's a glass one way. Well, how did she know about this? She really researching about things like that. Looking at Xiaojin, she looks really surprised. Said to her, what is that? Suddenly, she untied her. Really going to punish her on this way? Well, she must be a tricky person. On the other hand, Xiaojing doesn't need to worry about much. Now you just need to look at me. Pixie said to her. Well, this girl, she was really lovely, so kind to everyone. Even right now, kiss her softly. Probably, you don't want to miss anything. But still, the relationship of them are getting better, especially looking at Baili. It seems that she was really enjoying this. Being Muxi, being aggressive towards her. Muxi, it was itchy. It was so itchy. Well, technically this girl, I really want to punish Xiaojin, to push her away. Well, what will Muxi's gonna do now? Since she pushed her away, who is she going to rely on? Well, it turns out she can act like that. Li Chin, she fell on the bed. She was calling Muxi. This is not finished yet. Xiaojin, she looks really embarrassed. Xiaojin is always moving. She was throwing out everything, especially the necktie. Well, what could be wrong? Since it was a necktie, there's no use for her. Muxi suddenly said to her now, this is not okay. Now, she was holding a whip. Where's she going? Punished by that. Wait, we can see anything about this. Muxi, this is going to be so uncomfortable. Judging at this moment, she looks really uncomfortable, especially when Muxi nears towards her. Lijin, she can untie her hands. She was asking her, do what? Well, Muxi, she really enjoying this. Or She will think about something else. Definitely, right now, Muxi said to her, will Xiaojing behave better this way? Oh, well, this must be a cruel punishment, right? Xiaojing said to her, I'm very well behaved. Then, don't move around anymore. Can you make a sound then? How can she whisper this? She will only feel uncomfortable. Over. Said to her, I can. Muxi answered Xiaojing. Well, at least it's a little bit calm right now. After so many things, day and nights passed. The lady came home early. Now, the two of them still teasing each other, especially Baili. All the things are scattered in the room. Well, these two girls are really enjoying comforting each other. Look out carefully and don't close your eyes because you are shy. Muxi said, okay. Where are the two of them? I suddenly vanished from this, but it turns out it was Muxi right now. She was doing something towards her. Well, it's a little bit funny. There's really nothing more. Over. Xiaojing, until this moment, seems to be uncomfortable. Well, she really get funny hurt. Xiaojing, she will never do that, right? Even though there's a little bit difference. But, see, until now, she really want to dominate her. Well, they really enjoying the company of each other. This moment, Muxi seems to be puzzled. She already seen her. To accept this, our Xiaojin, she is really puzzled on what's happening. Although right now, Muxi, why did you just stop suddenly? Legion said to her. Muxi, finally, she stopped. Seems that she was not really satisfied looking at her. Because Xiaojin looks like you are great in pain. I can bear to see who suffers like that. Well, what can be wrong on this? I'm being tame right now. Muxi, you really know how to coax people, especially how to trick them. Xiaojing said to herself, my body is hot, my heart is pounding. Also, it feels so strange. Well, why suddenly? It was really changed now. Till now, Xiaojing. She looks really uncomfortable. Xiaojing said to her, but I can bear it. But also, because of the punishment that she already received, it seems that sooner or later, she really get tired of this. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.